All right, good morning from here and welcome to today's live session. I apologize for the late start. I was actually trying to update my quotes. I got some issues with my MetaTrader 4, but everything should be fine right now. If you are joining for the very first time, don't hesitate to click on your play button. Then move into your settings tab right here and ensure you configure your video quality to the 480 pixel. That is the settings that should give you a clearer view at your end. All right, let's look into the Forex Factory economical calendar for today to see those high impact news announcements that we are expecting. Today is a big day. It's a heavy day for the euro, and that is why we might not really see much of price action unless this news announcement is out of the way for today. Okay, it's the interest rate announcement for the euro. This usually slows the market. Once this is released, we are going to see heavy market volatility, and we might be there to see if we can catch any possible trading opportunity. I am liking the release time, 12:45. I like the hour, I like the schedule, so we will be there to see if we can catch any possible trading opportunity. All right, let's look into the charts. I was actually conducting my update quotes. Let me just continue with that and see if I can finish it up quickly. All right, just a few minutes, we should be done with this. In a very few minutes for 1 hour. Okay, it's 1 hour 30 minutes. All right, 15 minutes. Thanks for confirmation, Gozi Click. 15 minutes. The 5 minutes. Then we can now switch to our preferred profile. Just give me a little minute there while I look into news announcement for tomorrow, just to see what we have ahead. Okay, not much, not really much happening for tomorrow. So that means by let's say 15 minutes to this news announcement, we will be back in the markets to see if we can catch any possible trading opportunity. All right, there will be another live session for this specific news announcement. So after this live session, countdown to this live session will be in the live trading room, so you are going to see that. You should see the countdown in the at the top of, oh sorry about that, let me go back, at the very top of the live trading screen. All right, so at the very top of the live trading room screen, somewhere in here, you should see the countdown to the next live session, and that is going to change. It's not going to be this, it's going to be euro interest rate announcement. Okay, all right, let's begin looking into the euro against the American dollar first. This is what we should be looking at, although we have not really found any valid entry, but this pair right now is absolutely bullish. You need to be only concerned with looking for long opportunities. Okay, let me attach the forex currency index. We have already updated our quotes. This is the forex currency index set to the 15 minutes time frame. So let's compare the strength and weaknesses of the euro against the American dollar. Remember, we are interested in only long opportunities. So from the 15 minutes time frame to let's say the 1 hour time frame, we want to see the euro being stronger than the American dollar. So the American dollar should be weaker. That is what we want to see. The strength and weaknesses flows from the lower time frames upwards. Okay. All right. So, and as you know, anything plus that carries a plus sign is equal to strength, and anything that carries a minus sign, a negative sign, is weakness. Okay. So let's begin. The euro versus the American dollar. Beginning from the 15 minutes time frame, this is 15 minutes. The euro is +3. We actually wanted to see the the euro being strong is +3, while the American dollar is -5. And you see that? That's a good sign that you should be looking for long opportunities. The 30 minutes time frame, the euro is +5. That's a good thing. +5. The American dollar in the 30 minutes time frame is -4. Very weak. In the 1 hour time frame, the euro is what? +6. That's very strong. Absolute strength. The American dollar is -1. Right? So this is even enough to tell you that the direction is changing. Let's go further. In the 4 hours time frame, you might not really see a significant change in that time frame because the direction is just changing. In the 4 hours time frame, the euro is still +6. That's a very strong one as well. +6. The American dollar is +4. +4. Okay. You can see that we are actually seeing extreme strength in the euro axis, and we are seeing significant weakness in the American dollar axis. So you should only be interested in buying the euro against the American dollar from today. Okay, from today you should only be looking to click on your buy button. The forex currency index has already given us the hint, and we now know that the euro is stronger than the American dollar. So let's move into the charts and conduct our analysis again. Okay, now as you can see, it is pushing up. That was an early hint that we should be pushing to the upside. So please be searching for only long opportunities in the euro against the American dollar. That is a strong indication that this pair should remain bullish. Now let's analyze our charts. Remember, in previous reviews, I have always told you that you should be careful going short, that this pair should be pushing to the upside, and my projection is somewhere up here. We are actually coming somewhere in here. That's my projection. That price is coming somewhere here. That is where we are heading to. We have only seen a little hesitation. Hey Femi, good morning. We have only seen a little hesitation here. Okay, but this pair remains absolutely bullish. Please only search for long opportunities. In the daily time frame, I do not really see this flat bottom triangle breaking to the downside. I don't really see that, but let's just wait for price to speak. The forex currency index is already telling us that the euro is really stronger than the American dollar, so the possibility is more to the upside. Okay, in the 4 hours time frame, we still have this level to deal with. 1 hour time frame, there is nothing clear for us to get in right now. We can also go into the 30 minutes time frame, looking into the 3 SMA trend trading strategy, where the trend filter is calling for an uptrend in the 30 minutes time frame. Let's see if we can find a particular level that we can click on our buy button. Okay, not yet. It is still a very fresh trend, still very fresh. As you can see, the dynamic area of support is just shaping up. So let's give it a little time where we keep a very close mark on the euro against the American dollar, trying to find a possible long entry with this pair. Okay, it still has some levels of resistance to deal with. Currently it is around those levels of resistance. Probably on the interest rate announcement, we are going to see price move out of that way. Okay, so that reminds me, with the interest rate announcement coming from the euro axis today, well, we might see some volatility here, so that can even change the whole matrix of direction with this pair. So what we need to do, the best course of action here is to avoid this pair for now. While we come back for the news announcement, we are going to be reading price action to see what type of reaction we get and what possible direction we are going to see. I believe it is that news announcement that will give the optimal direction for the euro against the American dollar today. Okay, so for now, do not take any trades here. Wait for that news announcement to be released. Okay, so that's basically all for the euro against the American dollar. Let's proceed to our other pairs.